Have you ever watched a dragonfly zoom across a pond? Or seen a butterfly flap its wings gently from flower to flower? Insects are some of the smallest flyers on Earth, but they're also some of the most incredible. And guess what? Engineers and inventors are starting to copy them. That's right, tiny flying robots, often called microdrones or bug bots, are being designed to fly just like real insects. These robots are small, fast, and super precise, just like bees, flies, and beetles. And they can do some amazing things. Insects have been perfecting flight for millions of years. They can hover, zip in different directions, and even land upside down. That makes them the perfect inspiration for engineers. For example, scientists at Harvard have made a robot the size of a bee that can flap its wings and fly. It's called RoboBee, and it's built to help with tasks like searching through disaster zones or pollinating plants. One reason insects are so good at flying is because of their wing design. Their wings can twist, flap, and adjust in midair. Most bug bots are made with lightweight materials that try to copy this movement. They also need tiny motors, sensors, and power sources, all packed into a body the size of a paperclip. Bug bots might be used in the future to go places humans can't. Imagine sending a flying robot into a collapsed building to look for people, or using one to study animals in the wild without disturbing them. Some might even help with farm work by flying through fields and checking on plants. Of course, bug bots still have challenges. They're hard to build, easy to break, and they need energy to stay flying. But engineers are learning more with every new design. And now it's your turn to imagine what's next. Here's your writing challenge. You're going to write a narrative story about your own bug-inspired flying invention. Draw and color a picture of your bug flying machine to start. Then, begin with a short introduction. What is your invention for? Describe what your invention looks like and how it works. Explain what insect inspired its design. Tell a story about the first time it takes flight. What problem does it solve? What challenges does it face during the flight? How does the flight end, and what happens next? Your story can be fun, silly, or serious, but it should have a clear beginning, middle, and end. Use your imagination and make your flying invention come to life.